Okay, I walked deeper down the field into the forest a bit, and look at all these trees that are down by the roots. There's the root ball. There's the big old healthy tree. Well, it used to be. And if you look in behind there, there's another one down there. Another one's broken there. That one there is pushed over to the side. There's another one knocked down right here that I'm standing at the top of. If you look, you can see it split the tree back in there. And then look over to my left here, all these trees are down. See, look at, there's a big hole in the sky here now. Look at, yeah, look at those top branches. See the damage way up there? So, like I said, this entire forest has almost been completely decimated. Look at the trees over here. Look at, those are all knocked down too. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at all the trees knocked down. Like, and look at the, see again how the sky's opened up here. It's almost like a tornado cut a line right through here. I'm gonna get some still pictures of this. This is incredible.